Getting calls and text from private or unknown numbers. Imagine never having to deal with them again. Today, this quick guide will teach you how to block all private numbers instantly so you stay safe and avoid unnecessary interruptions. Just to go your Google Play Store, then download this application, call and SMS blocker blacklist, which have 10 million downloads. Before going forward, I request all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Now guys, after opening this application, you want to block all private numbers, but how you can? You need to click on the left top corner, three bars. All right. Then click on the settings icon. Okay. Then click just enable this option, block private numbers. Once you enable this option, after that no spam calls, no unwanted calls, no telemarketing calls you will receive. You have successfully blocked all private number calls on your phone. I hope this tutorial helped you. You found this helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more best Android tips, tricks and smartphone hacks. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.